Hello class, this is chapter 9b assignment question number 11. So in this question we are given a data table and we have a sample data and it tells us the mean and the standard deviation. And the first one is to find the standard error of the mean. So let's have some help from the StatCrunch. Let's open the data table in the StatCrunch. Okay, and click Stat because we are going to study the standard error. Let's go to the summary stats columns and select the data we have, and we need standard error. So this is the standard error. So let's select the standard error. Then click compute. Then we have the standard error there. Okay, so that's part A. Part B. What if we change the sample size from 25 to 225? Okay, then what would be the standard error? Okay, standard error increase or decrease? Okay, so how to do this problem? So we have to get some help from the equation for the standard error. So we know the standard error for the mean is equal to the sample standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. Okay, so that's the equation we have. So let's talk about those two scenarios. When the sample size is equal to 25, and let's denote this as standard error 1. Okay, standard error 1 is equal to the sample standard deviation. Let's keep it this way. Okay, divided by square root of 25. Okay, that means sample size over square root of 25 is equal to 5. Okay, so let's keep it this way. So what if the sample size is 2 to 5? Let's denote the sample standard error as standard error 2. Still we have the same equation. The only difference is in the sample size. Okay, so we have 2 to 5. Okay, so if we calculate the square root, so that's going to be 15. Okay, now you can compare the two standard errors. So if we change the sample size to 225, we are going to have this one. Okay, so that means the standard error is going to be smaller. Okay, because this is divided by 5 and this is divided by 15. Okay, so that's going to be divided by additional 3. Okay, so we have to divide this one by 3 to get the second standard error. So that's how we work on the part B.